This is the Reolink RLC-410 camera. This actually works over power over Ethernet. So all you need is a PoE injector and an Ethernet cable, and you can quite easily set this camera up. The reason why I bought this is because I'm actually testing it out, and if it is good quality, I'm actually going to buy more of these cameras, and then I'm actually going to buy a network video recorder that also has PoE. This camera cost approximately £55 from eBay. This is the box that it comes in. So you get the camera, you get a small Ethernet cable, some instructions. You also get a template that shows you where to put the fixing screws. You also get a sticker and the fixing screws and the hex key to do the adjustments. So we're now going to install this, and it's going to be installed on the garage. This is a 10-metre Ethernet patch lead. This cost about £6 from cpc.co.uk. You simply plug one end into the camera and the other end into the PoE router. To start off with, I'm going to drill a 22mm hole through the soffit board. You'll notice that I'm drilling on an angle. That should make it easier for inserting the cable. I do have a cable access kit somewhere, but unfortunately I've lent it to somebody, so instead I'm just going to use this piece of plastic pipe. This is a piece of PEX barrier pipe. I'm going to shove that through the hole, push it up into the loft space, and then I'm going to tape the Ethernet cable to the end of it, and I'm going to pull it back out through the hole. This is the PoE router, and as you can see I already have a couple of other cameras already plugged into that. So I'm just going to take the end of the Ethernet cable. I'm simply going to plug that into the router. The only connection we actually need to make is to plug in the Ethernet cable into that socket. I've now downloaded the Reolink app, which is free in the App Store. I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to click on Add Device. We'll just let that access the camera, and then we're just going to go and scan the QR code on the camera. If the QR code won't scan, you will have to enter it manually. So it's now connecting to the device. So we just need to give the camera a name, and then we just need to input a password twice, and then we can click on the create password. You can see that the camera is now showing on there. We're now just going to go out there and we're just going to adjust it and get a better picture. You can set this camera up for motion detection, email alerts, push notifications to your mobile, or you can set it up to record to an FTP server. You can also download the Reolink app for a PC. This is a great free piece of software which enables you to view the camera live. You can also record to the computer's hard drive. The camera itself cannot actually zoom in, but because the picture quality is so good, you can digitally zoom in. In this footage you can see the image quality. At the furthest point I'm 30 metres away from the camera. This is 25 metres, 20 metres, 15 metres, 10 metres, and finally 5 metres away from the camera. The 36 infrared LEDs mean that this camera can also work at night. The picture quality is absolutely superb. to say that this is the entry-level Reolink camera. The free apps also work well. I've been looking at buying a decent CCTV system, but I've always been put off by the cost. But with the Reolink PoE cameras and the NVR, you can get a very good system for much less money than other CCTV systems. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you have not done so already, please subscribe to the channel.